In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send photos on WhatsApp Web. Whether you're sending pictures for work, sharing memories with friends, or just having some fun, knowing how to do this efficiently can really enhance your communication experience. So, let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, start by opening a chat. This is the first and fundamental step. Head over to WhatsApp Web on your computer by visiting the official website and logging in with the QR code scanner, which you can find on the WhatsApp application on your phone. Once you're in, look through your list of conversations on the left-hand side until you find the chat to which you'd like to send the photo. If it's a new conversation, you can start a chat by clicking on the new chat icon and searching for the contact's name. After opening the desired chat, your next task is to click on the plus sign. This plus icon, typically found near the bottom of the chat window, is your gateway to accessing various file sharing options. Give it a click and you'll see a small menu pop up displaying various attachment types. Now, from the menu, you'll want to click on Photos and Videos. This is the section that allows you to access your computer's file system and choose the visual content you'd like to share. Once you've clicked this option, it will open a File Explorer window allowing you to navigate through your photos and videos stored on your computer. At this stage, take a moment to find and select a photo you'd like to send. This could be a recent snapshot, a cherished memory from your archives, or even an image you just downloaded. WhatsApp Web provides a seamless interface that makes browsing your media files intuitive and quick. Simply browse through your folders, click on the desired image, and then confirm your selection. Once your photo is selected, it will appear in the chat window ready to send, giving you a final chance to preview it. You can add a caption if you'd like, maybe a short message to give your photo some context or a humorous note to brighten someone's day. When you're ready, press the send button, which often looks like a small paper plane located in the chat entrance field. And just like that, your photo has been successfully sent. Using WhatsApp Web to share photos is a handy feature that keeps you connected, offering a larger interface that's particularly useful for those lengthy conversations or when you're working at your desk. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you now feel more confident using WhatsApp Web to share your favorite photos. As always, if you have any questions,